Hi everybody, my name is David Mayfeld. I'm from Che Fico Taverna right here in San Francisco, California. Today we're going to be talking about making a pizza in the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo by Breville. When William Sonoma and Breville invited me to come talk about how to bake a pizza in the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo by Breville, I was really excited. Okay, let's make a pizza. So I already have my dough here, so we're going to start stretching our pizza. And what I like to do is start a little well here. After I create the well, I'm going to start stretching it very lightly. After we get to a certain point here, I'm going to put it right where my fists are and start lightly stretching it. So the next step after we stretch the pizza dough out is we're going to put a little bit of olive oil around the crust of the pizza. So next up, we have some beautiful canned San Marzano tomatoes. We're going to take 1 spoonful here and place it right in the center of the pizza, and then spread the sauce out as evenly as possible. Before the pizza goes in the oven, we're going to add a little bit of beautiful fresh basil here, and then we're going to take some finishing olive oil. We're going to drizzle it right over the top of the pizza here. So now it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to take the pizza peel that Breville provides. I'm going to put it on the edge of our surface here, add a little bit of semolina, and slide it right onto the pizza peel. So now that I have the pizza on the peel, I'm going to go ahead and slide it right in the oven. What I love about this design is as it opens, the pizza deck actually comes closer to you to make it really simple to slide the pizza on. Then I'm going to close it up. So our pizza is well on its way to being baked. I'm going to pull it out for just a second, put our mozzarella on. If you already noticed, the pizza's already starting to get a beautiful color to it. The crust is beautiful and fluffy, and it's starting to look almost exactly the way it does in a restaurant. So now that I've put some of my mozzarella on, I'm going to go ahead and put it right back in the oven. And now we're going to let it go for about 30 more seconds while we develop that beautiful charred crust that we do at the restaurant. Then we take some Parmigiano Reggiano, and what you look for here is this really beautiful crumb. Super thin bottom. You're only going to get that with a nice beautiful deck, and this oven provides that. To learn more about the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, visit williamsonoma.com.